So, children, how are you all?
Fine.
You all are fine. And have you all started your classes in geography? Like in school, have they started?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have started. So the first chapter is about what? Geography first chapter deals in what?
Development.
Sorry?
Development.
Development. Kahara development?
Resources and development.
Resources.
Resources ra aur tara development ra. Resources kona?
And development.
Anything in our environment which out of which we make use.
Out of which we make
Everything
Use.
available in our environment which can satisfy our needs is called resources.
Okay. So are y'all the resources?
We use resources.
And we are also resources to somebody else.
To whom?
For our country.
For your country. So are you all satisfying the need of the country?
To some extent.
To some extent, like it? Kemiti satisfy karucha tame country ro need ko?
Now we are studying. Afterwards we can serve our country with our education.
Okay.
What we have gained.
Okay. So y'all are the future resources of our country. Right?
Madam call mardi.
आपण माने समझता है ना हम country रो future resources. So should we start with the chapter of resources and development? ठीक है देखिबा कोन सेटा सब डील करे मु जानि नि सेटा कोन डील करे आपण माने कहउचंती क्लास से पढी चंती तो ठीक मते बुझेइबे आ हां कि नहीं के बुझेइबा को राजी resources and development chapter टा के मते बुझेइबा को राजी अच्छा इंटरेस्टेड केही भी नुए
Me.
Two students have raised their hand, Jasmine and
I can see
Shubham.
Ayush and out screen.
Jasmine,
Okay,
Anshuman,
Jasmine.
Kirti,
हाँ.
Shubham, Shantanu, Satyajit, Sumit, Ayush.
Okay. ताले आम क्लास रे अछंती पिला माने बुझेबे आ तो ताले आमे गोटे स्लाइड टारे देखिबा हैला देखिबा रिसोर्सेस एंड डेवलपमेंट कोन आमे तो बही रे पढी छे एबे टिके देखिबा मु कोन जानि छी आ तमे कोन जानि छ जस्ट अ मिनिट I think it is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are resources? जदि हमें definition रे जिबा anything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs is called a resource.
Resources.
हैला but सब जिंस जो गुडा को available environment रे तो resources नुए किछिटा एबे हम नीड satisfy करबो किछिटा फ्यूचर रे जेमति आपण माने सब एबे आमे एला आपण को पाठ दबा आपण माने से स्टडी रो यूज करिवे then you will become the future resource of our country but currently हमको कोन कोन resources गुडा को satisfy करूछ हमें केमति जानिबा कि कहि परियो what are the conditions for a thing or anything which is available in the environment ताकू resource हवा पे कोन कोन condition दरकार it is screen रे
Things which are technologically accessible, economically feasible, economically feasible, and
Culturally accessible, economically feasible, culturally acceptable.
very good the technologically accessible कहले what
We have enough technology to use that.
Which our current technology can be processed with.
okay so we use the techniques available to us to extract that resource from the environment रे रही किना तो से रिसोर्स हमर किछि काम रो नुहे ना से रिसोर्स टा से एनवायरनमेंट रो आनीबा केमती आनीबा थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी we will use the technology available to us so that we extract the resource from the environment and make it useful to us okay nahi
Yes, ma'am.
tapre la kon economically feasible what is economically feasible ei guda ko hela keywords sir tikya aguru bujhoutile ame notes neba daka nahi you should rely on keywords technologically accessible economically feasible culturally accessible so acceptable ei guda ko hela keywords ei guda jodi ame buझी jiba then we can make a sentence of our own and then we can put our answer of our own using the keywords okay बुझिलो कि नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay economically feasible कहले कोन बुझुचा भूल हो
By
ठीक
which
हो
we get advantage.
That means we should have money to accept or do that resource.
ओके तमे माने जहा जानी छ कहिबो भूल हेले मु ठीक करबी ठीक थिले मु जानिबी कोन एक्स्ट्रा तमे मते बतैबो ओके
Okay.
इकोनॉमिकली फिजिबल कहले हमें कोन बुझुचे कहले कि हमें
Ma'am,
किछटा
economically feasible is degree in which economic advantages or something to be made, done or achieved in the greater economic costs.
अच्छा एटा ठीक कहलो पूरा डेफिनेशन टा कहलो हैला तो गोटे लेमैन लैंग्वेज रे मु किछि जानिनी ए विषय रे मु केमती बुझिबी हैला एटा केमती बुझिबा आमे जत्ता बेले टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करछे व्हेन वी यूज टेक्नोलॉजी to extract the resource from the environment we are spending some amount of money we are investing some amount of money हो कि नहीं आमे तो किछि
Yes, ma'am.
मागेना रे करबानी ना
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
जेतेबेले प्रोडक्ट ता हम पाखु को आसी जाउची रिसोर्स ता आमे सेटा कंपेयर करबा एबे हमर हाथ रे रिसोर्स अछि we are going to sell that in the market when we will sell that product in the market तारो कॉस्ट आमे जो इन्वेस्ट करिचे कॉस्ट सेटा को कंपेयर करबा जदी हमर सेलिंग प्राइस ता अधिका हैला जोटा कि हमें इन्वेस्ट करिचे ताले कोन हमको प्रॉफिट हबो प्रॉफिट हले हमें जब इन्वेस्टमेंट करिचे हमर गोटे इकोनॉमी को हमें हेल्प करबा हैला किंतु जदी हमें लॉस से जिबा हमें तो इकोनॉमी को हेल्प करबानी ना हमें इकोनॉमी ऊपर गोटे बोझ होई जिबा बर्डन होई जिबा हां कि नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what we call as economically feasible. If the product that we are extracting is able to help to the economy, then only it is economically feasible. ए विषय किछि डाउट अछि काको
No, ma'am.
क्लियर जो मानकर टिके एपट सपट होतला बुझिला
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
और एक बार ओके नो प्रॉब्लम economically feasible you are making something okay what are you making what do you like to make what is your hobby
टीचर
you want to be a teacher
यस मैम
so that is your hobby or that you are professionally oriented for that hobby you don't like to paint you don't like to dance you don't like to bake you don't like to cook nothing
नो मैम
okay you just want to study and be a teacher
यस मैम
okay so if you are teaching a student and that student will not give you what result
यस
so
मैम
so will you be happy
नो मैम
what will you do at that time
सैडनेस
you will feel sad ताको improve करिया को कोन करिवो से स्टूडेंट ताको improve करिया को
मैम ताको पढ़ेबी
ताको
False
पढिबो
sentences.
ताको आगे देखिबो कि से काहे की ए जगह रे करि पारिला नाही तारो कोन ड्रॉबैक थिला तो तारो वीकनेस ता
ma'am.
जोटी थिबो सेटा देखि कि ना तमे ताको improve करिवो
यस मैम
improve करले तारो डेफिनेटली तार रिजल्ट्स दबो
यस मैम
प्रोडक्ट जगह भी सेया हुए जेतला हमें गोटे प्रोडक्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करूचे हमर एनवायरनमेंट रू सेतेबेले आमे ताको देखिबा हमकु रिजल्ट से केमती दउछि आमे जो टंका ता देरे इन्वेस्ट करिचे हमकु तार रिटर्न ता सहीया मिलुछि कि मिलुनी जदि ओटे प्रोडक्ट रिटर्न मिलुनी से प्रोडक्ट मार्केट रे आसी किछि दरकार की दरकार नहीं तो इट हैज टू बी इकोनॉमिकली फिजिबल तो जेता इंडिया रो इकोनॉमी को हमें हेल्प करबा केमती हेल्प करबा जदि हमें इंडिया को प्रॉफिट दबा आमे जदि ओटे बिजनेस करूचे आमे लॉस करबा ताली कोन सेटा इकोनॉमी को हेल्प होबो
नो मैम
एबे बुझि पाला तो आमे जते इन्वेस्ट करूचे
Yes, ma'am.
इन्वेस्टमेंट थारू हम प्रॉफिट ता अधिका होबो so that we will add to the economy Hello?
yes ma'am
Okay.
yes ma'am
Okay. Should we go to the third point? Culturally acceptable? अन्य माने बुझुछ ना सेमति कि ना खाली सुनी दउछ
Yes, ma'am.
बुझुछ त
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I cannot hear a loud yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we come to the part what? Culturally acceptable. किछिटा जिंस सोसाइटी जेतबेले जे एक्सेप्ट न करूची सेतबेले जाय we cannot bring it to the market. Acceptance from the society is very very important. काहेकि because it will create a demand for the resource. जेतबेले जाय डिमांड नाही सेतबेले जाय तमर प्रॉफिट आसीबनी जदि मते गुटे जिंस दरकार नाही सेटा तमे मते बाध्य करी कि दबो कि नाही नाही नियो बोली मते किंतु दरकार नाही ताले कोन से जिंसटा मो पे यूजफुल तुमको गोटे जिंस दरकार नहीं तुमको गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ ड्रेस दरकार मामा आनी कि तुमको गोटे एमती सलवार सूट देले ना तो एमती गोटे प्लेन फॉर्मल शर्ट एंड पैंट देले तमरा डिमांड हला सेटा थिला ना यू वांटेड अ हैपनिंग जीन्स एंड टी-शर्ट गर्ल्स मानू को गोटे बढ़िया सुंदर फ्रॉक दरकार थिला किंतु मामा कहले ना ना तमे सलवार सूट पिंदिबो तमे फॉर्मल पैंट शर्ट पिंदिबो कोटा तमरा डिमांड formal pant shirt and salwar suit or good frock and jeans
Good property.
good frock and jeans तो जेतबेले तुमको एई जिंसटा डिमांड अछि मामा जेतबेले तुमको आउ कोटे जिंस देले सेटा कोन तुम एक्सेप्ट करि परिबो टिके प्रॉब्लम हबो मन दुख हबो हां कि नाही यू विल फील सैड yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
little bit okay so you can adjust huh you are a good boy okay so this is what we mean by culturally acceptable until and unless the resource is not accepted by the society by the culture where the resource is being introduced it is not called a resource Bujhipalla can you relate everyone can you relate
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so now can we repeat what are resources repeat everyone
Am I have
everything
everything
available in the environment which can satisfy our needs
to satisfy our
provided
need is called a
They are
resource provided it is technologically accessible
economically
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 feasible
cultural
culturally acceptable
acceptable
It's called a resource.
आदि राव किछि राव
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
कि yes ma'am कहउछ कि
Ma'am, I told.
tell me where you have a
Ma'am,
doubt
Hello?
in the definition of resources, there is a word is there, sir. Ma'am, one phrase is there: satisfy our needs. The factors which satisfy our wants, that can they be called as resource?
sorry come again please come again there was a breakage in your voice I can hear
And
the
there is-
phrases a phrase is there satisfy our needs yes after that
Ma'am, other than need, there are few wants also. The factors which satisfy our wants, not needs, can they be called as resource?
needs and wants that's a totally different topic sometimes we have a multiple number of wants, okay, but always those wants are not our needs. है कि जेतेबेले हमें use to satisfy our need कहुचे, so all those things which satisfy our need are our wants. किंतु जो गुड़ा हम wants से गुड़ा तो सब बेले हम needs नुहे ना. It definitely, if it satisfies our needs, it is definitely satisfying our want. किंतु जदि definition ए थांता which can be used to satisfy our want, ताले सेटा टिके different ही थांता. Everything will satisfy our want, it may not be our need. Going to a school is our need, but going to a disco or a pub is a want. Okay, which is needed for being a resource, being economically feasible as a resource. Are you clear with this?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So next we have how nature, technology and institution are interdependent. Is there a relationship between nature, technology and institutions? Yes, children?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Nature कहले एठी कोन?
Primary.
Primary what?
Type.
It is the physical environment
Types.
that we are dealing with. हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
And sorry, टिके इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम रहुची आपनकर जो कि ब्रेक होउची वॉइस. आउ थरे कहिले कोन कहउथिले?
Ma'am, it is the nature from where we go, where we got the resources,
From where we get the resources. It is from the nature that we get our resources. माने हम physical environment जो भी हमें रहुचे. हाँ कि नहीं? It is the physical environment. केमिति resources आनुचे? Through
by using
technology.
technology. Yes.
By using technology. से टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करिया पे किछिटा इंस्टीट्यूशंस तो दरकार ना. आमे तो एमती जाई कि ना हमको जदी फॉरेस्ट वुड दरकार फर्नीचर पे आमे एमती थोड़ी जाई कि ना हम पाखरे अछि हमर सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स सरिका ट्रीज काटी पाको and we go to the forest and we chop off the trees. Is it possible?
No.
No. So we need particular institutions to regulate that. Institutions ko mane the industries, the factories and the rules and regulations which allow us to use technology to extract the resources from the environment. बुझिए ला institutions को माने industries और factories माने जो माने कि हमको permission देबे आमे जदी तांको पाखरे काम करूचे किबा आमे गोटे industry करिचे then we get the permission from the forest department कि no we can go and cut this many trees. सब trees तो काटी परिबानी हां गोटे दिटा trees काटिबा को allow करिवे किंतु ता पे कि भी permission दरकार ताले ही आमे जाय कि हम resource तबले कोन wood हमर प्रोडक्ट कोन हबो फर्नीचर्स हां कि नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
किंतु एई तीनटा जाको कनेक्ट करिबा को किए इंपोर्टेंट फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी इंस्टीट्यूशंस सब आपे आपे तो आसीबेनी निज निज संगे कनेक्ट हबा को तांको किए कनेक्ट करिवो
Human beings.
So human beings, human resources, they are the main resources. They are very important as they connect the different resources in the environment. Human beings decide करिवो कि आमो पे कौन resources कोटा resources नुहे. We will identify the resources. Then we will use the technology for it, and after that the particular industry or factory dealing with it will allow us to extract the resources. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So human beings interact with nature. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institutions to accelerate their economic development. जेतबेले production टा start हबो by using technology and institutions, जेतबेले production start हबो and then we start making profit, then only we add to the economic development of the country. We help in the economic development of the country. Okay?
Okay,
But
ma'am.
there are many sectors of business which do not require institutions.
Like
Like fruit seller, vegetable seller.
fruit seller doesn't require institution. Fruits kona ame mane suppose fruits कोठु आसे आमर छक उपरे आमर मार्केट रे जे फ्रूट सेल करूची से सौविक राइट सौविक वाज आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन
Yes, ma'am.
सौविक आमर जोठु आमे फ्रूट्स किणुचे जहा ठारू से फ्रूट्स कोठु आणुची
From the
farmers.
farmers.
From the farmers.
तो एटी फार्मर मानक ठारू फार्मर कोठु फ्रूट तयारी करची एनवायरनमेंट रे ऐड करूची प्लांट लगौची तादेर मैन्योर्स दोची तो फ्रूट रो प्रोडक्शन करूची ताकि फ्रूट ता मार्केट को जिवो मार्केट रे आमे
Yes,
सेल
ma'am.
करिया किंतु फ्रूट ता मार्केट जिबा पई कि ताकु गोटे मीडियम दरकार होची कि नाही फार्मर तो नीचे आसी
Yes, ma'am.
बिक्री करूनी फार्मर कहा थ्रू रे बिक्री करची वेंडर्स मानको थ्रू रे लोकल
Vendors
वेंडर्स
too.
लोकल वेंडर्स हो किंबा हमर जेतबे रिलायंस हरिका किंबा अदर फूड जेमति हमर ग्रोसरी हरिका एबे आसी गलेनी से माने जेमति कि ना आसी चंती टू हेल्प द फार्मर्स इंटरैक्ट विद द कस्टमर्स तो सेठी इंस्टीट्यूशन सेटा हेलानी
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
बुझा पड़ला so always we need an institution to extract the resources from the environment and make it available to the customer or make it available to the market directly हमें मार्केट संगे केमति कि डील करि परिबा कि
No.
No, ma'am.
फार्मर माने जदि निजे आसी कि सेल करिवे ताले से कोन सब जगह रे सेल कर परिबे ना तो सेमाननको पाखे 4-5 टा वेंडर्स अछंती से माने गोटे जगह को पठेबे तांकर प्रोड्यूस आ तापर वेंडर्स माने नेकी ताको अलगा अलगा मार्केट रे हबो तो तांकर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन केते ह्यूज एरिया रे हैला ना दे हैव अ ह्यूज एरिया फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग दे प्रोड्यूस तो
Yes,
जेते
ma'am.
बेसी ताकर प्रोडक्ट सेल हबो सेमानकर प्रॉफिट बेसी हबो बेसी हेला को प्रॉफिट्स दे आर एडिंग टू द इकोनॉमी ऑफ द कंट्री द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री वी आर एडिंग थैंक यू जदि से माने ताकर निजर प्रोड्यूस का सेल करबे सपोज गोटे फार्मर विलेज रे रहूची आ सिए हेला तो आसी परबनी सिटी को सब दिन तो सिए हेला सेठू तार गछरु तोळी कि ना से रास्ता कड़े बसी की बिक्री करबो तार केते बिक्री हबो केते लोक अछंती अल्प बिक्री हबो
Yes.
हां तो
Yes,
he needs
ma'am.
an institution he here needs institution
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
से इंस्टीट्यूशन माने कि से वेंडर्स माने जो माने कस्टमर संगे इंटरैक्ट करूचंती तांको प्रोड्यूस ना आनी के कस्टमर को दउचंती हां कि नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
Sovik, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt regarding this? I am going point by point. I am not going through the details of the chapter, not line by line. So if anyone has a doubt, जदि कहारो किछि doubt अछि कोनोसी line बा sentence रे, be free to ask. किछि doubt अछि कहारो?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we dealt with water resources. कौन conditions दरकार गोटे जिंस को resource भाबे fulfill करिबा को, and then we came to interdependent relationship between nature, technology and institution. ता भितरे prime role कहार थिला? Human beings करो, human resources करो. We are also a resource. You all are the future resource. We are the current resource of the country. Okay, so then we come to what are the types of resources?
Biotic is
Classification of resources. Can you all see the
Natural
slide on
and
the screen?
natural and man-made. Natural and
Natural
man-made.
and human.
Natural and man-made
Man-made.
human resource. It's not man-made. It's we can tell it as human resources. Human resources are structures and institutions, and then it will come as quantity and quality kind of. But here in this chapter, we are generally dealing with the natural resources. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So when we are dealing with the natural resources, there are certain aspects जेतल कि हमें resources गुड़ा को classify करूचे गोटे basis से classify करूने बहुत सारा अच्छांदी basis of origin, basis of exhaustibility, basis of ownership, and basis of status of development. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all
Yes,
feeling
ma'am.
Yes,
sleepy?
yes, ma'am.
Are you all sleepy?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Sunday अच्छी heavy lunch कर दीजिए कि निदो लागुची की
No, ma'am.
Oh man.
No, ma'am.
तो
No,
खाई
ma'am.
छो तो ना खाई तो एमती ऐसी बसी जाई छो तो क्या लागुची एमती के खाई नो yes ता जोरे आसुनी मुके भी जानी भी virtual classroom रे से भी So on the basis of origin, tell me the two types of resources on the basis of origin.
Biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and abiotic.
Biotic and
A-
abiotic.
Abiotic.
What are the biotic resources? Biotic resources पहले कौन बुझिबा?
Those resources that we get
So
from
these
living
are
organisms.
different from the biosphere and have life.
Human
Example, human flora and fauna.
Flora and fauna. Flora कौन? Fauna कौन? हाँ?
flora.
Flora means
Flora equals to plants.
plants and fauna
equals
means
to
animals.
Fauna, animal.
Actually, fauna is equal to animals. Flora is equal to all the plants in the environment. So whatever we get from the biosphere, that is known as the biotic resources. You can see in the slide, it has been divided into two, biotic and abiotic. Biotic rashi plants, protozoas, animals, fungus, bacteria. Fungus, bacteria भी resources रे ही जिबो. केमती? What example के देई पारिबो bacteria?
Yeast in beverage industry,
Yeast.
alcohol and beverage industry.
Very good. Anyone else?
Make curd.
To make curd, this is a very
Also-
simple example.
Ma'am,
Simple
also
and
in
day-to-day
making of
example.
bread.
Bread is darkar hoy. Okay, so these are the living organisms from the biosphere which act as resources. And what are the non-living organisms? Sorry, non-living things in the environment which act as the resources.
Abiotic resources.
Abiotic resources कौन से मैंने examples?
Rock and
Fossil
mineral.
fuels.
Petroleum.
Petroleum,
soil.
water, soil. एटी तो अच्छी slide रे अच्छी देखो ना. Water,
Minerals.
soil, air, minerals.
Sunlight.
Yes. So these are the non-living things. ହେଲା ସେମାନେ कौन grow करि पारुचंती ना ସେମାନେ कौन चाली कि ना जाउचंती गोटे जगह रो आ गोटे जगह. Are they moving? No.
No, ma'am.
They are the abiotic resources. In the environment, see the next slide. In the environment, we see biotic factors, abiotic factors. एबे बुझा पड़ला clear?
Yes.
कौन
Yes,
देखुछ
ma'am.
slide रे कौन देखुछ biotic factors को गुड़ा को अच्छी environment रे
Plants.
plants अच्छी हमर trees अच्छी हैला trees रे बसिथिबा birds अछंती तापरे से forest रे थिबा animals माने भी अछंती. Abiotic factors on the other hand, on the right side,
Water, air, soil.
water, air, soil, sky, everything. हैला So this classification is on the basis of origin. Origin mane from where they are coming. कोठु semane आसुचंदी. Okay, nine from the biosphere. Asuchani, and then they are classified as biotic and abiotic. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then on the basis of exhaustibility. What is exhaustibility, children? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି exhaustibility कौन? Please मते के बुझे दवा exhaustibility कौन?
That will finish if we use it.
Very good. तापरे?
It is limited in nature.
May be limited, it may not be limited. We can also recreate it.
But it
Can.
takes a lot of time to be
Lots
replenished.
of time. किछिटा जिनस नॉन रिन्यूएबल जो गुड़ाक से गुड़ाक टाइम निये किंतु जो गुड़ाक रिन्यूएबल माने आउ थरे तयारी हे परियो आजी सखाळ हैला फेरे राती हैला ता पर दिन कोन आउ सखाळ हबनी हबो कि नहीं the sun will shine
Yes,
again
ma'am.
the sun will shine again then again there'll be sunset then again night will approach. Then again the sun will come the next day. So it is sunshine, jota ki renewable. Hum ki nahi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are the
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
Are you all sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Au kyono? Kei to kichi kahuna, mu kemi janibi soicho ki nahi. So on the basis of exhaustibility mane hela which has a limitation. किछटा टाइम परे सेटा एग्जॉस्ट हे जाय माने सॉरी जाय जेमती आमे सखाळे हला ब्रेकफास्ट करके आसु पूरा फ्रेश केतबे स्कूल जाउथिले डिड यू ऑल एन्जॉय गोइंग टू द स्कूल जीवा को भल लागुथिला
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. ma'am.
एबे मिस करूचो स्कूल
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
कोन बेसी मिस करूचो स्कूल रे
Friends.
फ्रेंड्स मानु को
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
एंड टीचर्स मानु के मिस करू ना केही टीचर्स मानु को मिस करू ना Oh, that's very bad.
Yes.
You're missing?
Yes.
They appear daily.
Okay. Anyways, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସକାଳେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ବ୍ରେକଫାଷ୍ଟ କରିକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ହଁ କି ନାଇଁ and heavy breakfast କରିକି
Yes,
ଯାଉ
ma'am.
to last us for the day ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଟିଫିନ ବି ନଉ ହଁ
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ଯେତେବେଳେ
ma'am.
first
Yes, ma'am.
period ଥାଏ second period ଥାଏ we are full of energy ଯେତେବେଳେ
Yes, ma'am.
third fourth ଆସେ ଟିକେ ହଁ ଢିଲା ଢକମ then we again have a lunch ରେ ଫେରେ ଟିକେ fresh ଲାଗେ ଯଦି ଟିକେ heavy lunch ହେଇଯାଏ ଫେରେ ନିଦ ଲାଗେ
Yes,
ନାଇଁ
ma'am.
କି
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ତାପରେ
ma'am.
I mean,
PT
games period
period
also we are active.
the PT period, I was coming to that. How did you know? Souvik. So, Souvik, I think you're from DAV, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I also?
And how did you know?
From your, okay. Anyways, we'll talk about it later, how I know. So, the games period and PT period ase. कौन हुए से गेम्स पीरियड रे ओ हमें पूरा एनर्जी जदी ता पूर्व मैथ्स पीरियड ता थिला से बहुत निद लागुथिला हिस्ट्री पीरियड ता थिला आहुरी निद लागुथिला सो वी वे एग्जॉस्टेड एट दैट टाइम हमको कोन रिचार्ज कला गेम्स पीरियड
PT period.
पीटी पीरियड हां हमें एनर्जाइज हे गले
Right, games.
हां so this is what we understand by getting exhausted है ना हमारा एनर्जी लेवल लो एनर्जी डाउन है ना पीटी पीरियड पर इतना घर को आसीबा आहुरी टायर्ड बट पीटी पीरियड रे एनर्जाइज रहेगा ना so this is called exhaustibility when we are drained of that resources drained of माने सॉरी वाला that resource is not there anymore that is called exhaustibility so basis of exhaustibility there are two types of resources one is renewable resource and others non-renewable resource. Like you all were saying now, coal, iron ore, petrol. Who gave the example about petrol? Someone said about petrol while we were discussing on exhaustibility. So that was non-renewable resource. Petrol is created over a period of time. Over a period of time, we are creating petrol and other fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means जो पूरा माटी तले रही कि ना
The remains of the ancient animals and
plants.
Dead and decay animals and plants.
The dead remains of the plants and animals, they decay, and over the soil, over a period of time, under the soil, over a period of time, they become fossils. Then we get
Fossil fuels.
coal, mineral, petrol. Okay. You slide re. You all can see the slide. See
Yes,
the non-renewable part. One is the battery or cell, alkaline batteries. The next picture
Coal.
is of petrol. Right side re. Coal. Petrol.
Petroleum.
Petrol and nuclear reactions.
Very good. Who said
Nuclear
the nuclear
reactions.
energy? Key answer dila seta? I'm not able to know.
Me.
Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So that is called nuclear energy. Okay. So that is also a non-renewable resource. Renewable resources re kaun jai?
Sun, wind, water.
Sun, wind, water. Sun ta kemiti gote renewable resource?
It provides
We
light.
can use it
Because it never
many
gets
times.
exhausted.
We can use it many times as what?
Solar
as
energy.
a energy.
As solar energy. As solar energy.
Solar energy.
And how can we use the wind?
Wind energy.
Wind energy.
Wind
energy ko
energy.
kemiti?
What as the
To
big
produce
as
electricity.
by establishing big fans to produce electricity.
Yes. So wind is used to produce electricity.
Electricity.
Okay. And water, hydroelectricity.
Hydroelectricity.
So these sources are renewable. That is, we can use them while storing them for future also. Okay. So we are clear with this on the basis of exhaustibility. This is the difference between renewable sources and the non-renewable resources. Should I read it? Resources which can be renewed or reproduced
Yes, ma'am.
by physical, chemical, or mechanical processes, they are the renewable resources. On the other hand, non-renewable resources are formed over a long period of geological time, and we cannot get them back immediately in the environment. Yes. Example of non-renewable resources? Fossil fuels. What are the example of fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum.
Natural gas.
Okay.
Natural gas.
Natural gases. And then renewable resources?
Solar energy.
Solar energy, wind energy.
Solar energy, wind energy, water, forest, wildlife. Okay. So we should always use what? Renewable resources or non-renewable resources?
Renewable
Renewable.
Resources.
What will happen if we use non-renewable resources?
Our
Then after
future
that,
generation
we
people will
exhausted
not
one
face
day.
problem.
It will get exhausted one day and we will not have any more left for a future generation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is this? Who can identify this picture?
Windmill.
Windmills.
Windmills.
Windmills. What do the windmills do? How are they the renewable resources?
They
Converting
produce
energy
wind
into
energy.
electricity.
They produce electricity.
Okay. Who has
They produce electricity.
Yes, true. who has seen a windmill in working? Windmill ta kiye dekhicho? Kebe
Ma'am,
kiye
I have
dekhicho?
seen. Ma'am, I have
You have
seen.
seen. Sovik,
Ma'am, I have also seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have seen.
where have you seen? Give an
Ma'am,
example.
in Andhra Pradesh somewhere I have seen.
In
I
Andhra
don't
I have
Pradesh.
seen
remember
in
that.
Maharashtra.
You have seen in Maharashtra. को जगारे देखिलस जो जगारे विंडमिल टा थिला तार केमतिया सब थिला माने कैन यू डिस्क्राइब दैट प्लेस सेठी गच्छ पत्र
Ma'am,
थिला
ma'am, I have seen from far away.
Ma'am, it was a open
Ma'am,
place.
I've seen from far away.
अच्छा तो विंडमिल टा फार रु देखिछ माने पाखे जाय के देखिनो विंडमिल रो बेसिक काम
No, ma'am.
कोन थाय कहलो जेतबेले
turbine behind the fan.
sorry I
Behind the
could not
wings,
hear you
there is a turbine that produces electricity and rotates.
yes जो जगह मानो करे be it a mountainous area or be it a desert area wind speed टा बहुत high थाए हला से जगह रे generally कौन करा जाए windmills install करा जाए windmill कौन करे wind टा को absorb करे windmill रो जो fan टा नहीं तीनटा fan है कि नहीं ता पछ पटकू गोटे turbine अछि हला से wind टा जेतबेले energy absorb करे windmill टा से turbine टा को regenerate करके तार फेर connection जाए to produce electricity गोटे जगह रे बहुत सारा windmills थाए अब आमे देखु सेटा कि बहुत स्लो बुलुची but because the propellers are very like long जो तो fan भलिया जो हे थाए तिनटा हैला सेगुडा बहुत लंबा लंबा अछि सेति लागि हमको बहुत स्लो दिसे सेटा छोटे बेले तो माने खेली तो जो एमती पेपर फैन आसे स्कूटर रे सामने रे एमती धरि किना बाली यात्रा रो आसला बेले धरि किना पवन रे बुली बुली आसे के खेली जो सेमती
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so that is the working of the windmill
Yes,
Fine,
ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry to disturb you. We'll just wind up the class in 5 minutes because it's a demo class. So we'll wind up in 5 minutes.
okay sure sir sure so children amar ta asi galani we should wind up the class so we'll wind up with a few minutes interaction the windmill produces it is a renewable source of energy and we can use it again and again but ame eteta advancement amara technology re use kari parune jaha jogu ki amo upre energy production ta ame mane jadi ba wind achi ki solar achi ame tar proper use of technology am pakke nahi hela so with proper use of technology we can use these resources to our maximum benefit but we are unable to use it so on the basis of origin it was classified as resources were classified as biotic and abiotic okay and the basis of exhaustibility they were renewable and non-renewable okay the other two are there maybe with the next class we will do and tell me children how did you all did you all understand the concept of resources
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
jaha jani thilo did you come to know anything extra out of it
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
are you clear with the concepts
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
are you looking forward for the next class to understand the more the other two classifications
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so hopefully we will be meeting the next class to understand the next two classifications and if you have any other doubts keep it collected and do not worry about writing the notes first try to understand the concepts okay then with notes and all we'll help out later but any doubt regarding any trivial things also jette chhoto jinsa hele bhi don't hesitate to ask तमे पचाले आउ जनकर भी सेटा कार डाउट थिबो कि से कहि पारो नथिबो so you are free to ask any sort of doubts clear आ मोर भी जहा डाउट हबो मो पचारिबी तो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Souvik is the only child who is always ready to answer yes, ma'am. Okay then, children. Thank you so much for joining in the class.